Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate client appointments and follow-ups for therapy centers via WhatsApp. For example, you have a therapy center and you got many appointments from your users at once. Responding each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To get rid this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your user send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video on creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate therapy appointments and follow-ups via WhatsApp, let me give you a quick overview of how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your users instantly by sending a message to my WhatsApp account of therapy center. Here I am sending a message as book appointment. Here I sent. Once the message sent, you can see the bot responds by asking me to choose the therapy service, providing an option in the form of list. When I click on it, the bot displays multiple available therapies, that is counseling, cognitive therapy and massage therapy. Let's say I select massage therapy. Then the bot asks that when would you like to schedule your appointment. So here I am sharing one date for appointment. As soon as I send the date, then you can see the bot will ask me to share the preferred time for booking the appointment. So here I am sharing the time. Here I sent. Then you can see the bot will ask me for my full name. So here I am sharing my full name as test user. After that, it will ask us for the contact number. So I am sharing one test contact number. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that your massage therapy session is confirmed for the date and the time that we have shared. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for managing therapy appointments and follow-ups for your therapy business, then you have to follow step-by-step instruction that I will provide you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's enable you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community. It is a special space where all users of Pabbly, whether beginner or experts, come together to ask questions, share ideas and help each other. If you are stuck anywhere while using Pabbly, you can post your doubt here and other users or even the Pabbly team might help you out. You will also find useful tips, updates and example for real user. So it's a great place to learn and connect with others who are using Pabbly just like you. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. So here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on the sign up option to create your account and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I'll go ahead and click on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you can see this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. If you click on this, then you can see it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might use for scanning a QR code or WhatsApp number integration. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. If you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Now in this section you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account, while in this home section you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here on the left hand side, you can see the different features of Pabbly Chatflow, where the first is the inbox, then the contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flow feature by clicking on this. So this is the Flow Builder page where you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. Here you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. It will create it without requiring any programming skills. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of creating our WhatsApp chatbot, in where at first you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple trigger event to start your flow. That is keyword slash regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birthday and tag assigned. It is coming soon. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords. So here I am selecting this, but before starting the creation of our chatbot, you have to provide the name to your bot that what you are creating. Here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the another one is regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. Now let's get started. Here I am entering the first keyword as book appointment. After writing this, you have to press enter so that it will add it into your list. Here I am adding two more keywords: therapy session and counseling. I added only 3 keywords. You can add multiple. After that, whenever my user will send any of this keyword to my WhatsApp business account of therapy center, then automatically my bot gets triggered and responds to them, including the list of the therapies. For that, I'm taking one list button. Drag this box here. Here you can see it will divide it in 3 parts, that is header, body and footer. In this case I am not writing any header, so I am leaving this blank. After that, here I am directly enter the body. Here I write that is please choose the therapy service. You can see I write this in asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my users in the bold format. After that, the footer is also an optional, so I am not writing it. Then I want to add some available therapies. For that, I am clicking on this add section button. It will provide us one box inside it while giving us one section title box, where I am going to write the section title as available therapy. After that, I want to add the types of therapy. For that, I'm clicking on this plus add item button. It will again provide one box inside it, where in this enter title box I am going to write my first therapy type. Here I write that is counseling. After that, I am not writing any description in this, so I am leaving this blank. Then I want to add some more. For that, I am clicking on this add items button. Again, it will provide me one box. Here I am writing the next type, cognitive therapy, and the last, massage therapy. After that, I am going to connect my starting point to my list. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here, whenever my users or patients were sent any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account of therapy center, then automatically my bot will provide them this list option. Now, let's say if my user select this, that is counseling, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this action option and take button as set custom field. I drag this contact custom field box here. In this step, 3 separate contact custom field buttons are used for each available therapy so the bot can store the exact service selected by the user, whether it is counseling, cognitive therapy, or massage therapy. This stored information allows the chatbot to recall the chosen therapy type later in the conversation to send accurate and personalized confirmation message. So here I am selecting the contact custom field as therapy type, where in this enter value box I am going to write the same title, that is counseling. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now for these two also I am again taking one set custom field. Here I take two contact custom field buttons. I drag this here. After that for this also I am going to select the contact custom field as therapy service. After that in this enter value box I am writing the same, that is cognitive therapy. And for this also I am selecting the contact custom field as therapy service, and in this enter value box I am writing the same, that is massage therapy. Here I write it. I use the same contact custom field here. After that I am connecting this circle to this message, this circle to this. Here it is connected. After that whenever my user will select any of these therapy type, then my bot will ask them to provide the date for booking an appointment. For that I am taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here and writing a message as when would you like to schedule your appointment. For that I'm selecting the contact custom field as appointment date. I already created this field before. I'll show you where you can create a contact custom field. For creating a contact custom field you have to click on the setting option and go in this contact custom field option. So this is the page where you can create a contact custom field for your different type of users. When you scroll down here, you can see one option, that is plus add more field. Then in this field name box, you have to enter the name of the field without spaces. After that, you can provide the description. Then you can click on the save button. As I already created the contact custom field by the name of appointment date and time, so I am not adding more. Now we will get back to our flow. After that, I am selecting the format as date and the number of attempt I'll give as 1. You can also increase this. After that in this enter message box, I am not writing any message, so I am leaving this blank. Then I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message by clicking on this to this and this to this. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will select any of the therapy service, then at first my bot will ask them to provide the date. After that the time for the appointment. For that I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing a message as please let us know your preferred time for booking the appointment. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as appointment time. After that, I am selecting the format as any. Then I am connecting this circle to this message. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now, after this step, my bot will ask my user to provide their full name. For that, I am again taking one ask a question button. The process of adding questions would be the same. I drag this box here and writing a message as what's your full name. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. After that the format I'll select as text, as the name should always in the form of text. That's why I select here as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1 and I am not writing any validation message, so I am leaving this blank. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Now whenever my user will share the appointment date, time and their full name, then at last my bot will ask them about their contact number. For that I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing a message as what's your contact number for the confirmation. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as contact number. After that the format I'll select as number. You can also provide the minimum value as well as the maximum value. Here I am not providing it. After that the number of attempt I'll give as 1 and I am not writing any message. Now I am connecting this circle to this so that it will connected. Now whenever my user will provide me all of their details, then at last my bot will give them one appointment booking confirmation message. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write my booking confirmation message. Here I write, you can see the dollar symbol is placed before the therapy service because this allows the bot to dynamically insert the exact therapy type that's selected by each user into the response here. The contact custom field plays an important role as it stores the specific details provided by the user, such as chosen therapy, appointment date, and appointment type. This ensures that the bot responds dynamically to each user, displaying their unique booking details. This way, even if different users provide different therapies, dates, and times, the bot can deliver accurate and personalized responses automatically. Now, our flow is completed. So, basically, this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate therapy appointments and follow ups via WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This automated chatbot will handle therapy appointment bookings in real time by interacting directly with your users on WhatsApp without any manual input. When a user messages to book an appointment, the bot will guide them step by step, first asking the appointment date, then the preferred time for booking the appointment, followed by their full name and the contact details. As the user provides each piece of the information, the bot captures and stores it instantly. This ensures that the entire appointment scheduling process is smooth, accurate, and fully automated. And the best part is this bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. So go and create your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.